यं वै वेदो न वेद नैव विष्णुर्नो वा वेदा नो मनो नैव वाणी तं देवेशं मादृशः को अल्पमेधा यथात्मात् वै वेत्ति अहो विश्वनाथम। अर्थात जिनको वेद चतुष्टय, विष्णु, ब्रह्मा, मन और वाग्देवी जानते नहीं हैं, उन विश्वनाथ के अनंत महिमा को मेरे जैसे मूढ़ व्यक्ति कैसे पहचान सकते हैं। वाराणसी पूरपतिम भज विश्वनाथम, हर हर गंगे काशी विश्वनाथ गंगे।
हर 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 महादेव, हर 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 महादेव। शिव पिनाक पानी, हर 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 भूतनाथ। शिव पिनाक पानी, हर 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 भूतनाथ। ऊर्ध्वजलत जटाजाल, ऊर्ध्वजलत जटाजाल। नाचत व्योमकेशवाल, सप्तभुवन धरत ताल। टलमलावनी, हर 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 भूतनाथ। शिव पिनाक पानी, हर 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 भूतनाथ।
As a 10-year-old girl, I had the golden opportunity to enter the sacred land of Kashi, the golden abode of Lord Vishwanath. I remember my parents made me sit near the eternally burning funeral pyres in Manikarnika Ghat and left to have a cup of tea in a nearby tea shop. I remember very vividly till date that I was enjoying the sight of the burning pyres without any fear and was also noticing some corpses nearby covered in golden cloth waiting to be offered to the sacred altar of funeral pyres. While sitting almost in a trance in Manikarnika Ghat, I observed another small girl of my age with open flowing hair who appeared from nearby huts and carried back burning pieces of charcoal from the pyres back home, probably to be used in the wooden stoves to cook food, as it has been the custom there. These memories were revived again when I again got the opportunity to be a pilgrim to Kashi with my husband and daughter before embarking upon our journey to Prayagraj for taking holy dip at Triveni Sangam during Mahakumbh 2025. Our pilgrimage in Kashi started with offering prayers to Kala Bhairav, the celestial guard and protector of Kashi. We visited Vishalakshi temple where eyes of Sati fell as severed by Lord Vishnu from the shoulders of Shiva, as per the Puranas. We had divine darshan of Manikarnika cremation ghat where death is celebrated eternally. Varanasi, the abode of learning and renunciation, boasts of numerous ghats flanked on the banks of the sacred Ganga. While traversing across the sacred Ganga on a boat, we were awestruck to see the beauty of the ghats and the vast span of Ganga flowing since time immemorial. Manikarnika Ghat is one of the main ghats where Sri Ramakrishna Paramhansa had envisioned the Divine Mother holding each corpse lying on the funeral pyre in her arms, and Lord Shiva whispering Tarak Brahma mantra into the ears of the corpse to liberate from the endless cycle of birth and death. As we crossed Manikarnika Ghat, we were awestruck to see the flight of stairs reaching up to Ganga Dwar, leading to the grand temple of Kashi Vishwanath. We scaled the heights of the stairs up to Ganga Dwar and had darshan of Kashi Vishwanath Jyotirlingam after going through a long queue.
Panchashila Panchanana Pujana Panchashila Panchanana Pujana Avirata Puja Savati Nirmala Vela Patraso Pujana Kamalakar Pati Mahadeva Maheshwara He Mahadeva.
We had darshan of Ma Annapurna after Lord Vishwanath, and I remembered the Puranic story of how Lord Vishwanath entered Kashi to take alms from Devi Annapurna, the divine empress of Kashi, and saved the universe from poverty, hunger, and destruction. I recited the prayer of Annapurna Devi. Annapurne Sadapurne Shankara Prana Vallabhe Jnana Vairagyam Siddhyartham Bhikshang Dehi cha Parvati. This shloka was composed by Adi Shankaracharya as a part of Annapurna Ashtaka. We had prasadam breakfast at Annapurna Bhavan, which serves breakfast, lunch and dinner for devotees absolutely free of cost. We also visited Sankat Mochan Hanuman temple, where Goswami Tulsidas ji composed the famous Hanuman Chalisa as stuti of Lord Hanuman. We visited Kedareshwar temple on the bank of the Ganga, about which Holy Mother Sri Sarada Devi had said that having darshan of Kedareshwar is equivalent to Kedarnath darshan in the Himalayas. Our best experience in Kashi as devotees of Ramakrishna Math and Mission was to have darshan of Atma Vireshwar Shiva, in whom resides the soul or Atma of Kashi Vishwanath. And this Atma Vireshwar Shiva Lingam is the form of Shiva, whom Ma Bhuvaneshwari Devi, the mother of Swami Vivekananda, had worshipped with great austerities for 1 year to conceive Swamiji as her son by the blessings of Atma Vireshwar Shiva. The replica of Atma Vireshwar Shiva was installed in the ancestral house of Swami Vivekananda in Kolkata.
Hara Hara Shambhu Jatadhari Hara Hara Shambhu.
We also visited Varanasi Ramakrishna Math on Swami Brahmananda Jayanti and on Saraswati Puja, Basanta Panchami, and offered pranams in deep reverence at the Sri Ramakrishna temple, where Holy Mother Sri Sarada Devi had installed her own photograph and worshipped the same. There is a marble image of Sri Sri Thakur and a portrait of Swami Vivekananda in standing posture as a Parivrajaka, installed by Swami Shivananda, who was one of the direct disciples of Sri Ramakrishna. In Kashi Ramakrishna Ashrama, Holy Mother Sri Sarada Devi had herself stayed. Shri Rama Tohe, Shri Rama Tohe, Krishna Tohe. श्री राम तू ही कृष्ण तू ही परब्रह्म नारायण तू ही आदिशक्ति श्री राम तू ही कृष्ण तू ही. And there is a room designated to Latu Maharaj or Swami Adbhutananda Ji, the illustrious disciple of Sri Ramakrishna. Tu hi Sri Janu Palana, tu hi Sri Janu Palana, Samharana Kara, Shanti Vidharana, tu hi Brahma Jyoti Shri Ram tu hi Krishna tu hi.
एक 80 नदी है, ठीक है, उसी के नाम पे 80 घाट का नाम पड़ा हुआ है. वो नदी आया कैसे, यहाँ पे शुभ और निशुभ नाम के दो असुर रहा करते थे, तो दोनों लोगों का वध दुर्गा माँ ने किया है. और जिस तलवार से वध किया, तो वध करने के बाद जब उसको जमीन पे फेंकी तो वो सीधा गया पाताल लोक में. वहीं से उत्पन्न हुआ 80 नदी. और वो टेम्पल यहाँ से 1 किलोमीटर ऊपर जाएंगी तो वो दुर्गा टेम्पल है, और वहीं पर वो कुंड भी बना हुआ.
पशुपति हरा नवल किशोर पे कीजे कृपा दृष्टि भक्त जुगल चरण को शंभु सहित श्री भवानी शंभु सहित श्री भवानी पशुपति गिरिजापति हर शंकर अर्धांगी पशुपति गिरिजापति हर शंकर अर्धांगी वामदेव महादेव गंगाधर शिव पिनाक नीलकंठ शूलपाणि पशुपति गिरिजापति हर शंकर अर्धांगी.
एक जमुना और एक गोदावरी, 5 नदियों का संगम माना जाता है यहाँ पे. तो वरुणा प्लस 80 को मिलाकर इस शहर का वाराणसी नाम रखा गया है. 2 नदियों के नाम पे. और एक काशी भोलेनाथ के नाम पे, एक बनारस. यहाँ पे हर प्रकार के कवि सब लोग यहाँ पे बना हुआ रस, हर प्रकार का रस आपको हाथ से सब कुछ मिलेगा, इसलिए इसका नाम बनारस रखा गया है. और वाराणसी इस जिले का नाम है वैसे, वरुणा प्लस 80 मिलाकर. और एक नाम है आनंद वन करके, चौथा नाम जो फर्स्ट नेम है इसका. जब माता पार्वती जी और शिव जी अपने मन के शांति के लिए आए थे, तब इसका नाम आनंद वन हुआ करता था.
Varanasi is not only the abode of spiritual enlightenment and renunciation, but also a creative hub of art and culture. We were really impressed to see the weavers weaving the signature trademark of Varanasi attire, the Banarasi sari, on both handlooms and the machine driven looms.
समझ रही है?
हाँ ये उल्टा है
हाँ।
और
अब
ये
वो जो
सीधा है।
मशीन पर बनता है वो सीधा साइड रहेगा ये, पर जो बनारसी जो है हाथ का वो नीचे नीचे सीधा साइड रहेगा, ऊपर
तो
उल्टा
ये
रहेगा।
कैसे आपको पता कैसे लगता है इसको?
ये डिजाइन पे है,
अच्छा, ये डिजाइन पे।
डिजाइन पे से बन जाता है,
हाँ, डिजाइन से बन जाता है।
डिजाइन पे बनता है तो उससे मालूम हो जाता है कि ये उल्टा साइड है,
हाँ।
डिजाइनर के ऊपर है।
Varanasi pilgrimage in the beginning of 2025 during Mahakumbh has been indeed a very spiritually fulfilling and emotionally enriching journey which enhanced our learning process and reinstilled in us the spirit of detachment while being amidst worldly activities. May Lord Vishwanath and Mata Annapurna bless us all with spiritual wealth, material prosperity, good health, happiness, and spirit of renunciation.
जैन घाट, महावीर दिगंबर जो जैन थे तीर्थकर, वो यहाँ पे आए थे तो उनका यहाँ पे कुछ मंदिर वगैरह बना हुआ है। यहाँ से आप जब जाएंगे 15 किलोमीटर आगे तो गौतम बुद्ध जी का सारनाथ है।
To end this virtual journey across Shivapuri, Kashi, I would like to say that our Varanasi pilgrimage would not have been completed if we would not have visited Sarnath, the abode of Nirvana, the place where Gautama Buddha had delivered his first sermon after enlightenment or attaining Bodhi. To go around the Bodhi tree at Sarnath and chanting Om Mani Padme Hum has been a spiritually charged experience for me, which instantly elevated my mind from the mundane to the higher realms.
ये जो जगह था ना, इस जगह का पहला नाम रखा गया ऋषि पतन मृगदाय।
ऋषि पतन
मृगदाय, मृग माने डेढ़ हो गया। जब भगवान बुद्ध उधर बैठकर उपदेश दे रहा था, इनके जो पीछे हैं बहुत सारा डियर भी इनकी बातें सुन रहा था। तभी बुद्ध ने बोला कि बौद्धिज्म में एकदम हो जगह ये द शोल्डर, हाँ, तो ये ऐसे आप दूर से देखिएगा ना, यहाँ पे एकदम ऊपर जाइए, ऐसे हैं, डाउन आइए, ये शोल्डर्स और जिस भी एंगल से आप देखिएगा, चारों एंगल से इसमें बुद्धा हेड आपको चाहे दूर से देखने से बुद्धा हेड इसमें दिखता है। तो जो ही न्यान का लोग है उधर में देखिए कैंडल जला रहा है, स्तूपा को टच कर रहा है, राउंड कर रहा है, वो अदर इनसाइड द मेडिटेशन।
It was a great peaceful experience to behold the Sarnath Stupa that dates back to the 3rd century BCE and 500 CE. This marvelous example of ancient Indian culture resembles the Dhyani or meditating Buddha and instantly calms down the mind of a devotee. The original stupa was built by the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka in 249 BCE, and the Dhammika Stupa marks the place where the Buddha gave his first sermon to his 5 disciples. The lion capital of Ashoka and many other artifacts of cultural importance have been stored in Museum of Sarnath, which are worth seeing and exploring for everyone. May the Buddha be awakened in all of us and induce much needed peace amidst trials and turbulence of life. With this message, myself, Pradipta Chaudhary, is signing off for the time being with the promise of another substantial video musing of mine. Till then, stay tuned to Pradipta's musings.